kita balik lagi di live hari Kamis Out of the Box yang akan membahas keseharian atau topik-topik yang sedang hangat diperbincangkan di masyarakat ya teman-teman. Halo Pak, wah dalam mobil nih Pak. Mau kemana Pak? Pagi Pak. Mau kemana Pak? Udah di dalam mobil aja.
Yeah, I know, man. I'm already SMS. Apa sih namanya? I just came back yesterday. So I came back yesterday from Singapore. I went to visit my mother. I had a good meeting with all my brothers the night before. And apa sih namanya? So I saw my mother and I came back at 11:30 yesterday di rumah. PM.
Wah.
Yeah. So belum mandi, belum apa. So sudah selesai mandi, sudah selesai apa. Udah jam 1.
Wah.
So it was quite tiring lah. But I think honestly it's a good event. It was a good thing, and I managed to see my mother in the hospital. So yeah. So there was yesterday when the hospital, I saw one bak, orang Indonesia.
Yeah. So
quite cute, She was taking care of this orang tua. Just the scenario is ini. My mother has been in the hospital for 2 minggu. So the hospital inside this ward got like 6 bed. Got aircon, no TV, no nothing. So this bak was at the corner. Dia udah di sana 1,5 tahun already,
1,5 tahun.
Iya, 1,5 tahun orang tua tinggal di sana udah 1,5 tahun Itu luar biasa
Banget Pak, itu maksudnya tapi kan Pak Nik bilang ada kalau rumah sakit ada yang free dari pemerintah, tapi kalau kayak gitu nggak free dong Pak?
Nggak free. So apa sih namanya? So what happened is that for those people down here, she went to a hospital. My mother went to hospital SGH. SGH like government hospital, but dari pemerintah. So Singapore got a lot of pemerintah hospital. So this hospital very very big lah. So anyway, she's not in that ward, but she go down to another hospital, but inside the complex, but it's cheaper. So I want to share also. So one day, right, the bill for tinggal di sana is 2 juta.
2 juta.
1 hari. So 10 hari 20 juta. 40 hari 40 juta, right?
Yeah.
Right, pagi.
Yeah.
You need helper.
You need helper. I want to be your helper lah.
Yeah. So what apa sih namanya? No, I don't need helper now. Okay, so my mother was staying in the ward like that. So what happened is we were trying she needs to be in the hospital because dia patah the hand. I want to share this. So she patah her hand. So she got cast, and then 2 minggu di depan dia patah kaki. Bukan patah lah, like crack lah. How to say crack?
Crack apa ya Pak? Kalau nggak patah, crack tuh maksudnya gimana ya Pak?
Like scream, like ini lah, crack lah, crack. Like ini like got one like crack like that.
Jadi kayak udah kayak keropos gitu kali ya?
Yes, retak. Yeah, retak. So my mother has a retak hand and retak. So the doctor advised, okay, you accident prone banget deh. 2 minggu you patah kaki, patah hand, so you so you better stay in the hospital. So I think that's what happened. But I want to share one thing also, because the government we pay something called CPF, like PPJS, but because she paid that since she was 18 until like 60 plus, so the PPJS like quite big amount, right?
Wow, yeah.
So basically, what happened to this hospital bill? She didn't pay the 40 million, right? She never need to come out cash. So if you ask me, right, is the government in Singapore good? Very good dong.
Yeah. The money still there gitu.
Yeah, the money still there because gini deh Fit. Kita pasti maybe 50, 60 pasti ada sakit.
Ada sakit lah, nggak mungkin.
Yeah, heart attack lah, what lah. I'm not saying kita harus curse sendiri, but
benar.
Kalau saya lihat trend pasti got some problem pasti no such thing as saya pasti sehat terus saja. Nggak mungkin. So when the day happen, I think the government in Singapore is good lah.
Iya benar Pak.
Yeah. So for that apa sih namanya yeah, I just feel that I was telling everybody on my own channel, kalau saya udah tua, I also want to go back to Singapore to retire. Yeah, because of this. Because if I'm in Indonesia for until I grow old, I got a problem because the Wang gede there for the hospital.
Iya.
Yeah. Okay. So topik ini hari ini apa sih, Fit?
Oke.
Please saya teman-teman, please tap.
Please tap layar, tap nih guys, di tap terus bantu share ke teman-teman lainnya biar yang lainnya juga bisa join di live kita hari ini. Karena kita hari ini mau bahas tentang krisis uang nih Pak. Jadi awalnya ya teman-teman, seperti yang teman-teman tahu ya, katanya ya ada orang bilang the world itu God yang bikin, terus makhluk hidup Tuhan yang bikin, sisanya Cina yang bikin.
Everything made in China. Everything is made in China. Now China, the last one was if you want product from USA, saya slash price banget kasih kamu.
Iya.
So they want to dominate the world lah. I think I don't know lah. Money is okay. Okay, maybe kita ngomong realistic dulu lah ya. Sebenarnya kalau teman-teman di sini kerja di Singapore, sebenarnya gaji kamu sebenarnya menurut saya luar biasa.
Iya.
Kena my car got. Okay, kenapa saya ngomong luar biasa? Kamu cek aja kalau kamu beneran kerja di Singapore, di Indo, saya maybe gaji dia agak sedikit tinggi 3 juta. Tapi kalau kamu sekarang kerja di Singapore, gaji kamu 7 juta, 8 juta kadang-kadang.
Iya.
So for that reason, right, wouldn't you think your money is stronger? Tapi of course sacrifice lah, tinggalin anak, tinggalin apa. Tapi good work is somewhat the same kok, yeah? No? Yeah? So I think with that mentality, you got to learn how to save money lah. I think money management is very important lah. And the world is changing. Itu world is changing ya teman-teman. I don't know how to. Ini every left, right, center, even Fitri is also saying the world is changing already. So itu true banget lah. Harus hati-hati lah. Yeah. What you think?
Jadi kayak kemarin nih kan si Deba nih kayak cerita ke saya, kakak lihat video deh kak, orang dari Cina bener-bener kayak mau show to the world gitu loh. Hey, you buy the Hermes lah, Gucci lah, Dior lah, semuanya tuh gitu kan, pabriknya tuh kita loh orang Cina yang bikin, the quality control, terus dari materialsnya, lo mau pilih yang paling grade A, B, C tuh kita semua ada, kita semua bisa by request kayaknya gitu kan, maksudnya we can kamu bakal shock gitu kalau datang ke Cina terus lihat berbagai macam tas, sepatu yang kita bikin, mau grade A, B, C kita jual di sini, mau kayak Hermes tapi kita nggak bisa kasih brand Hermes kan. Kalau saya bilang lagi ke Deba tapi tergantung pasarnya ya. Misalnya nih kalau kayak kita kan ngerti nih, oh yang penting bahannya kulit asli, nggak usah lah merek Hermes, merek Dior kan ngapain. Mereka itu mahal bisa markup harga ya untuk brandnya dia, untuk bayar karyawannya dia yang di Europe-nya sana kayak gitu kan. Tapi saya nggak tahu ya Pak, kayak misal artis Indonesia kan kita sering omongin lah, orang Indonesia kalau yang kaya banget, bener-bener kaya. Jadi kayak mereka tuh tetap gengsi lah Pak, pride kan, gue artis nih, influencer besar nih, mau dong pasti punya tas atau sepatu gitu, kacamata event yang kecil-kecil bisa 10 juta Prada gitu ya. Terus gengsi lah Pak gitu. Kalau itu saya nggak ngerti ya, maksudnya untuk menurunkan press the pride mereka tuh nggak ngerti gimana caranya, pasti mereka tetap pengen beli.
I think what happened to China is sebenarnya dari dulu sampai sekarang we already know that fake thing. We already know lah. Kita ini bukan secret that semua orang nggak tahu lah. Semua orang tahu already lah. They fake something lah. But now because of the world being changed, right? They say I really can fake the thing. So if you want, just come to me and I'll do it for you. You know that logic. The logic is the same. So let's say example Dyson. So Dyson is a vacuum cleaner, but I ever show you that Dyson also can this hair dryer.
Iya.
Dyson,
Iya.
but China brand ABC sama aja kok because it's the
aja.
same factory, the same everything. Yeah, but Dyson the brand the cost is 5 million. But this palsu one is 1 million. But you see the brand carry it. Then you see it becomes very scary because what happened is no brand wants to make their product in China anymore after a while, right? So if I have a
Yes,
brand like you see, right? Let's say so let's say I make handphone and my brand is called ABC handphone. But I will not want to put my ABC handphone into China anymore because it's scary for me because it will be, nanti problem lah.
Iya. Untuk kedepannya.
Yeah, but as the consumer, kita consumer doang, right? Bagus buat kita atau enggak? Bagus kok. Tapi buat brandnya, sebenarnya menurut saya enggak bagus. Menurut saya lah.
Iya.
Itu how you see like if you see as a consumer, yeah, it's good. But if you see as a brand, because all brands want to make money, right? And the brand needs to pay staff. The brand need the R&D. Like okay, I make this phone, I sell it for 5 million. Okay, the reason why I sell for 5 million is because I need to pay gajian, factory, maybe the building, maybe the everything. Yeah, cost is 2 million. I agree. But why the 5 million? Because the rest of the item is to pay everybody else.
Iya, benar.
Alright. Cost is one thing, but what then you haven't calculate the cost of the apa sih namanya? The karyawan, the machine. I mean subjektif banget lah.
Iya. Makanya saya bilang kalau saya maksudnya untuk hal itu udah tau lah karena kan kalau di tas ada made in Vietnam, even made in Indonesia, made in China kayak gitu kan ditulis sih. Cuman kan memang apa ya kalau si Cina ini mau bikin brand mau bikin bentuk yang sama, material sama itu kan tetap aja KW.
Yeah.
Iya, maksudnya jadi buat pay the brand lah buat harga mahal
betul.
gitu loh Pak.
There's a price for everything lah. I'm not saying that all the super brands are profit margin kecil. Of course gede, but sesuai lah. Yeah. Sesuai lah. Got price, got quality lah. You want cheap delivery, use other people.
Yeah.
You want good delivery, you pay us Aman Logistics is for a service. This service is okay. Sorry to say it, but it's not free.
Yeah.
So the gaji needs to the box needs to pay gaji dia, gaji saya, gaji everything. Karyawan and all that. So everything got cost lah.
Iya, itu include cost akhirnya menjadikan suatu harga box, menjadikan suatu harga tas kan gitu ya sebenarnya kan. Tapi kayak akhirnya kemarin muncul lagi juga nih Pak video-video kalau kayak di USA, Australia, even Singapura itu banyak, apalagi di Singapura ya Pak. Kalau saya lihat waktu itu yang kayak di grup-grup Facebook tuh banyak yang kayak teman-teman hari ini weekend aku nemu koper nih di bawah HDB dibuang gitu aja sama ada isi-isinya. Emang suka gitu ya Pak ya? Maksudnya mereka banyak yang sharing gitu loh. Aku nemu ini masih bagus, aku menemu ini masih bagus gitu.
Yeah. So what they call this? They call it it's like di sini called thrift shop lah. Thrift shop di sini. But that one I can't remember what is that called. But maybe this Uniqlo t-shirt I buy from Uniqlo. So the harga is $20. But because apa sih namanya I buka copper, then maybe I sell you at $2 or $3. So ngomong gini aja lah. Semua orang hidup di dunia sebenarnya consumer banget.
Iya.
So kalau di Singapore consume lebay already, too much already. So what they do is that they give somebody else. Ya gitulah. Bukan give
Iya.
but sell lah. So it's a good thing or bad thing menurut saya. Okay, so this spray maybe I buy $10, but I never use. So I sell you for $5 fit. Beli aja lah $5. So bisa tawarin. But I still lose money, but you make money, something like that. So harus. So ini kalau saya bisa ngomong pinter putar wang. Yeah.
Jadi maksudnya kayak yang kayak Panik bilang kan, apalagi kalau kayak mau Chinese New Year itu kan majikan banyak yang kayak buang-buang barang gitu ya. Maksudnya
Ya,
bener mau baru terus kayak jadinya ya udah deh yang lama ya udah just kalau nggak ada yang bisa dikasih buang aja gitu di depan rumah apa di bawah
but
HDD mereka
yeah.
gitu.
I won't say buang lah, but I mean after a while, certain things are a bit old and apa sih namanya? So they give lah, kasih lah. Buang, buang tipu lah, kasih lah.
Oke
Kasih.
oke oke oke.
Buang.
Soalnya kan kemarin yang kita nginep di ini Pak, yang kita nginep di Singapura yang di Lucky Plaza itu kan emang pusat thrifting ternyata ya Pak. Saya sampai nggak sempat belanja tuh, saking bingung ternyata itu jam 9 udah tutup. Nah,
Oh,
soalnya ya kan yang tadinya mau habis makan malam sama Big Boss deh, soalnya kan sorenya kita udah seharian jalan gitu ya, udah capek. Ternyata jam 9 dia udah tutup. Ternyata di situ pusatnya thrifting ya Pak, di situ maksudnya di Lucky Plaza itu.
no lah. I mean, there's a lot of shops down here there that's like that. But Lucky Plaza is for the Philippines. If City Plaza itu buat orang Indonesia.
Oh gitu.
Ya. Tapi apa sih namanya? I don't know lah. But if every teman-teman di sini masih kerja di Singapore, I think I say again lah, kita harus bersyukur lah. At least is better than Indonesia. Ya.
Ya benar. Tetap sih, tetap jauh banget.
Jauh banget. No. I have a lot of orang Singapore ask me how much to retire in Indonesia. But the same answer that I give to everybody is about the same lah. Ada orang bisa hidup di Indonesia 3 juta. Ada orang hidup di Indonesia bisa 10 juta.
Benar.
Ada orang 30 juta pun tidak cukup.
Benar.
So apa sih namanya? Cukup atau tidak cukup tergantung diri lah ya. So I think it's the same logic for consumer lewat dari Aman.
Yes, betul.
Sebenarnya everybody is the same thing lah. You cukup, I don't know.
Benar. Kayak mungkin kan kayak misalnya nih saya udah punya keluarga, punya anak. Kayak saya coba kayak cerita kayak Deba, pengeluarannya aja udah jauh banget ya, atau mungkin sama pengeluaran lain dari listrik.
Ya.
Jadi misalnya ongkos misalnya kayak gitu kan, berapa orang yang harus dikasih makan, itu kan maksudnya mempengaruhi pengeluaran gitu kan Pak. Jadi kalau dibilang benar sih, ada yang bilang kok gue perasaan 20 juta aja nggak bisa nabung, ada yang gue UMR aja cukup kok.
Betul. Different people have different lifestyle lah, but I don't know lah, but saya ngomong ini terus aja di TikTok saya terus lah. But ujung-ujungnya kalau kamu bisa baca di dalam saya ngomong apa, saya ngomong there's always the same principle. Kita harus bersyukur kita sekarang dapat apa, and kalau bisa beli. Kalau nggak bisa jangan beli dong. Ya dong. If you cannot, then don't buy lah. If my neighbor down there got BMW, I can't afford it. But if I buy that BMW and I'm going to suffer for the rest of my life for the next 3
Iya.
buat apa? Why I cannot buy a Wuling and it's cheaper? So what's wrong with China? You know that kind of. Yeah. So ini palsu juga kok. Ini dari I don't know. Ini maybe if I buka, actually supposed to be from Germany, but it's actually from China. But as a consumer, I'm smarter.
Iya, benar. Tapi kalau Wuling tuh spare partnya susah nggak sih Pak? Soalnya saya lihat-lihat Wuling sekarang secondnya hancur sih.
Yeah,
Saya jadi kayak
So I'm not sure also, but how do you put it? The cost of saving from the day that the car spoil is still higher, ma. So if you talk about car for logic lah, so if I have 2 cars, right? One is the Innova, one is this, right? But if I already drive this for 6 months, my cost of driving is so much cheaper. Separuh, no, fee. Separuh, no. As in the benzene.
Pajak mobil juga kan Pak, murah banget kan.
Pajak. If the mobile, okay, let's say your March, how much you pay for? 3 juta? 3 juta? Ada 3 juta?
Pajak.
Ya.
2.2.
2.2, okay, 2.2. Ini
Hmm.
$50, 500.
500 iya. Kalau
Okay,
listrik
so,
murah
so
banget.
kalau kamu untung it's 4 times cheaper than your car.
Iya.
Ini 4 times Okay. So itu aja cukup already.
Iya lumayan.
Yeah. So you times 2 years, you can times 3 years. So how are you saying that it's not cheaper,
Iya benar.
right? Okay, then the next question is, kita beneran keluar kota atau enggak? Ya, kadang-kadang bisa, kadang-kadang nggak bisa. Tapi maaf, Fit, setahun kamu keluar kota berapa
Berapa
hari?
kali? Iya.
Berapa hari ya, bukan berapa kali ya. Maybe 2 kali, 3 hari, 4 hari. Tapi the logic is not there.
Iya benar-benar.
Menurut saya lah. So I was trying to say this to a friend. Oh, if you go outside Java, how? Like, excuse me, how often you go? Every day? Or
Iya.
If you go every week, okay lah. Then I cannot say too much. But 1 year, 1 time, 1 year, 2 time, or maybe 1 year never even go. Then what are you talking about?
Iya benar sih. Benar-benar.
I mean, beli mobil mahal. All we want, and end of the day, Fit, I think what happened to mobil is we drive pasti lose man, pasti rugi wah, pasti ya. Ini mobil pasti. Tapi apa sih namanya? You beli March, beli Innova, beli every car also lose money. So there's no such thing as there's no losing money. So now is you're gonna lose money anyway. So make the best use of it.
Iya sih.
My logic lah. Ini logic saya lah, logic
Iya,
saya. I don't know whether I'm correct or wrong, but this is my logic. Since I'm really going to lose money, then just go.
Bener. Kadang kayak misalnya orang kadang apa ya mampu nih misalnya kita bisa beli tapi kan kayak bener sih maintenance bensin
Ya.
mungkin ya kan makin tinggi cc-nya makin boros kayak teman-teman di sini kan pastilah banyak yang saving uang juga buat di kampungnya biar bisa beli mobil, beli motor, beli rumah, iya kan? Karena kalau saya lihat nih ya di FYP teman-teman yang lagi pulang kampung pada wah bagus semua mobilnya berjejer, rumahnya udah pada bagus gitu direnovasi.
Actually, if you look at it, Fitri, it makes sense banget deh. Because gaji dia already 8 juta lah. Zaman sekarang 8 juta. And then kalau suami kerja, maybe 2 juta. Combined salary doang 10 juta loh. Ya? Okay, then maaf ya, Fit. Ini sebenarnya tinggal di kampung ya. Kampung tanah murah.
Murah.
If you talk about bikin rumah, ya, itu tergantung material atau di mana. But ultimately, right, it's still slightly cheaper.
Benar.
So overall cost of living is lower.
Iya.
Overall cost. So good or no good? Lumayan kok.
Lumayan banget, Pak.
Ya, lumayan banget. So for that logic, I think kabur aja dulu. Kerja di Singapura,
Bener.
kirim barang lewat dari Aman Logistics.
Karena kalau kakak mau dapat misalnya nih gaji 10 juta aja deh taruh buat jadi kayak helper, itu mesti jadi helper Raffi Ahmad mungkin ya.
Ya. No lah, I believe maaf, I think kalau Raffi Ahmad dia pun bukan naik gaji luar biasa. Dia cuman ada 10 bah. Bukan cuma 1 bah.
Iya sih.
So 10 bah gaji cuman 2 juta or whatever lah. Cuma berapa? Saya drop pisau aja. Bak, ambil. You know, that kind of logic. So I don't think the gaji is tinggi. It's just because there's more people working on it. Gitu. Menurut saya ya.
Kecuali yang udah senior sih Pak, yang kayak ngikutin Raffi dari muda, soalnya kayak mereka sempat spill berapa sih emang kamu gajinya sama Raffi Ahmad, itu ada yang asistennya mungkin ya 15 juta karena udah ikutin dari zaman dulu.
So then that's like a business already. Itu ngomong like office lah. There's like this rank, that rank, this rank, that rank, this rank, that rank. So apa sih namanya? He's running the house like an office.
Iya benar. Kata apa Menteri Raffi pergi migran gitu, maksudnya pulang juragan.
What that mean?
Iya, nggak ngerti juga. Pulang migran, maksudnya pergi migran. Nggak
Oh,
ngerti.
pergi ke Singapore immigrant.
Migran gitu, pulang jadi juragan. Itu
Oh,
itu make sense.
yeah.
Jadi juragan.
It makes sense. DNA. Yeah. So you go out as a migrant, come back as a yeah. Yeah,
Benar
betul.
sih. Benar.
No lah, I always say this lah. Kita harus tahan banting lah. Kerja di mana harus tahan banting. I mean, maaf ya, ada yang majikan baik, ada yang majikan tidak baik. Ada yang bos baik, ada yang bos tidak baik. Ada yang kantor baik, ada yang kantor tidak baik. Tapi ujung-ujungnya kita harus happy, ya. Kerja di mana harus di happy. I'm happy to work. That's why I am doing what I do. Gitu teman-teman.
Tapi dimanapun sih.
I think for Fitri and I think what we have Fitri and me is we have stressed our own way, but we are happy doing what we do. Yeah, I think so lah. I think I don't know lah. Maybe I talk too much about you, but that's what I think
Bener
about.
sih, mungkin kayak kita kayak misalnya nih Pak, kayak kemarin aja saya kan lagi libur. Saya dari jam 9 sampai jam 4 sore. Itu kan kurang lebih kayak jam kerja. Saya di rumah sakit.
Oh you,
Temenin mama saya BPJS, apa ya, kadang BPJS emang free gitu ya, apalagi kan mama saya udah nggak kerja Pak, jadi bulanannya free dari pemerintah. Tapi memang apa ya, datang ke dokter ini nunggunya 2 jam, padahal udah dapat antrian tetap nunggu 2 jam, padahal udah dibilang pemeriksaan jam setengah 10. Datang kita setengah 10 tetap nunggu, ternyata baru dapat hampir jam makan siang. Jam 12 akhirnya udah saya sampai ngopi, saya sampai udah makan gitu ya di rumah sakit, udah itu aja udah 2,5 jam nunggu. Akhirnya dari dokter kan mama saya sempat tuh kemarin matanya merah gitu Pak. Jadi kayak takutnya ada pecah lagi bloodnya pecah gitu kan. Jadi saya rujuk ya Bu, saya ini ke dokter mata. Ngantri lagi buat ngerujukannya karena harus ada bikin perjanjiannya karena rujukan baru gitu ya, mau ke dokter baru nih, dokter nunggunya 1,5 jam, nunggu obat lagi 1,5 jam lagi. Wah, tadinya saya mau jalan-jalan tuh, habis itu lanjut ke mall, mau udah gak mood ke mall nih, moodnya mau punya pijet. udah mau pijet aja gak mau. Jadi maksudnya masalahnya mah kalau di rumah ya kita mau rumah, tadinya saya udah mau pulang dulu, tapi emang kan namanya BPJS ya Pak. Kalau nomor antriannya kita kelewat gimana Mbak, saya tanya. Ngulang lagi Bu, ambil antrian baru. Wah saya bilang. Wah, ini makin bisa memancing emosi. Jadi udah duduk sambil emang tuh namanya charger harusnya nggak boleh lupa bawa ya. Sambil baterai udah ambil lobet, sampai itu habis pas pulang masih bisa pesan Grab Car 10%, udah pesan langsung pulang. Cepat bener. Saya sambil wah.
I think BPJS is the same thing what my mother go through also sih. Tapi maaf, kalau ibu saya sebenarnya waktu dulu dia patah kaki, crack the kaki, so she has to wait to go in. She also have to wait 3 hours, 3 jam. So this is A&E, A&E ngomong emergency room.
Oh iya.
Because it's a government hospital, tetap harus tunggu. So tunggu 3 jam, after 3 jam then dapat bread and everything, then they're a bit faster already. Tapi in how do I put it ya? BPJS, BP apa, or pemerintah ikutin no.
Iya sih. Iya makanya saya sampai untung gratis semua, ikut sama.
I think this is what life is lah. If we kalau kita kaya, maybe we go,
bener.
maybe we pay for time. Tapi maaf teman-teman, is it really that worth it? Yeah, I mean, of course. Okay, maybe 3 jam atau setengah hari you waktu jam kita di hospital. Tapi ujung-ujungnya bill nol, ya.
Ya benar.
If you pay, then maybe the bill kenapa 20 juta, ya? For maybe 3 jam. Ya, 3 jam equal 3 jam 3 jam 20 juta, 6 jam free. Kenapa nggak mau tunggu? You see the logic from
Iya,
there.
iya, iya.
So I guess if I were in your shoes, Fit, I also emosi. Pasti dong, pasti emosi. Tapi kalau kita lihat dari luar lagi, ya gitulah.
Ya, ya. Ya, mau gimana?
Nggak mau di mana nih. So at least there's help, right? At
Ya,
least
ya, at least lah maksudnya oke
Ya.
lah. Kayak every month no need to pay gitu kan udah ya lumayan sih Pak.
ada komen di bawah kalau
Kalau ada biaya sendiri sebaiknya jangan pakai BPJS katanya make sakit
Betul.
hati.
ya, betul,
Bener
betul.
sih kalau ada duit juga saya ngelihat kayak apalagi kan sekarang rumah sakit di kayak dipisah dua Pak ini only BPJS satu lagi cash sama insurance.
Ya, I go
itu
there,
jadi kan beda nih. Saya jadi suka main ke rumah sakit yang barunya nih gedung baru karena di situ bener-bener kayak wah langsung kayak mall. Jadi buat cari makan, Family Mart lah, kayak Imperial lah semuanya. Terus ada segala maksudnya bisa buat kayak mall lah, bisa kita buat istirahat kayak gitu
Betul,
kan.
betul.
Daripada yang di sini bener-bener yang BPJS bener-bener kayak panas lah pasti. Entah AC-nya dikecilin apa orangnya yang kebanyakan gitu. Jadi
So that time
panas.
when I went to hospital in Indonesia last year, I got scoliosis, right? I always say this story. So I got scoliosis. So I don't have BPJS. So I need to go to a hospital. So I went to the hospital, googling dulu, ini dokter bagus di sini. Oh, langsung ke sana. Then they ask, no, ini BPJS atau pribadi? They say they always
Ya,
ask
ya, ya,
pribadi
ya.
atau
Aha.
So I don't have BPJS atau pribadi. Wah, langsung no, lebih cepat no.
Iya.
Tapi the bill itu luar biasa teman-teman.
Iya,
But
iya, iya.
it's short. Luckily, I have insurance for Singapore that cover me to be in the hospital. Tapi if it's an operation, they don't cover. They don't cover the operation. So that one you need to fork out cash. That's why last year I fly back to Singapore because I needed the doctor's opinion. But I was in painful there.
Iya, iya.
So anyway, what I wanted to say is that I mean, if we are Indonesian living in Indonesia, get BPJS lah. I mean, is lah. I mean, all of us will fall sick one day. Correct, Fit? Correct, Fit?
Benar.
Okay lah. Spend 1 day, 2 day. My mother in the hospital now already 2,5 minggu already. Itu crazy banget.
Iya,
Tapi,
Bang.
ngomong bayar atau enggak bayar, gratis kok.
Iya.
A little bit gratis lah, but wang sendiri tapi government match the money and everything, so it's still quite free what.
Iya.
But if she falls sick in Indonesia, or if I fall sick in Indonesia, I patah my leg and I break my hand, then how much do you think I will pay?
Iya. Benar. Mahal banget. Apa ya? Kadang makanya orang tuh kalau misalnya akhirnya pilih ke Malaysia buat berobat gak salah sih. Karena bener-bener mereka bilang satu dokter lebih teliti, nggak terlalu gila-gila uang, nggak dikit-dikit. Oh ini kayak ini kondisinya harus langsung operasi atau harus langsung ini kayak nggak gitu loh.
Ya.
Kalau di Malaysia katanya sih Pak lebih detail.
The doctor di sini ngomong ini wah profesor apa. Oh, harus operasi. Kalau kamu nggak operasi, ini lebih sakit.
Iya, benar.
I was like, okay, come on, do. Bikin aja. Because I was like in pain, right?
Iya benar.
Until I see the bill, then I said, okay, wait. Ini pain masih bisa tahan. Wait. Because I look. Wait, my wallet not ready. My wallet also very thin. Wait. Okay, Pak, I can walk already. No, but what happened is that waktu dulu dia give me painkiller lah. So
Iya.
saya cuman takut apa, Fit? Saya cuman takut painkiller udah turun,
Iya benar, langsung lagi.
naik lagi. So waktu dulu saya wah, I was like fuck, how did the pain come back? Because but luckily the pain came back. I got the pain come back. So maybe 1 to 10. So maybe the pain was, let's say is 9 lah, 9 pain lah.
Yeah.
So I take painkiller, the painkiller become like 1 to 2 only, right? Then I scared like maybe one. Then I asked the doctor, no, okay, so you give me painkiller now, bisa tahan berapa lama? 3 hari. So langsung walau, that means 3 hari depan langsung kembali ke 9 lagi ya. So the pain come back. So maybe around 5, then 4, then 2, then 3. Then I went to Singapore. See if we
Iya benar.
So do we know when we're gonna fall sick? We do not know. I think if we talk about kerja di Singapore, kerja sama Bak lah, bikin Bak. Sebenarnya semua orang Indonesia tinggal di Singapore pasti ada insurance. Kamu sakit, sebenarnya udah cover dari insurance kamu already. So, menurut saya, kerja paling as long as you can. Tapi kalau kamu udah kerja sampai umur 55, harus hati-hati. Because waktu 55, kita mulai lebih sakit.
Benar.
And masalah ini, negara Singapore suruh kamu pulang already because kamu nggak bisa ganti majikan already. So waktu dulu kamu please make sure you got PPJS. Make sure lah, so that when you go back to kampung, you still got help for you. Gitu.
Benar.
So,
Karena sekarang syarat kayak katanya ada syarat mau beli kendaraan bermobil, motor harus ada BPJS. Saking apa ya? Mungkin untuk dari pemerintah wajib harus bikin BPJS kan apa ya? Even kita nggak punya uang, real loh. Nih mama saya juga dapat yang free sih dari pemerintah itu.
I think di Indonesia, maaf ya, Fi, bukan saya mau touch topik yang salah, tapi apa sih namanya, the logic about kita is like bayar BPJS buat apa sih, atau bayar insurance buat apa sih? Sebenarnya kalau saya nggak insurance, harganya mobil cuman maybe tiap bulan 2 juta, maybe lah 2 juta. Tapi kalau ada insurance 2,5 because that 5 cover us insurance. Tapi maaf Fit, kamu, saya, I do not know when I'm gonna get accident deh. Itu susah prediction banget deh. You know lah, Indonesia. So but then maaf Fit, I ever go into accident before. Bam. Then I ask, you got insurance? Enggak ada. So like, wah, gila. Then I have to claim my insurance for my mobile. You see, so apa sih namanya? If the government wants every car or every motor to have insurance, menurut saya bagus kok. Tapi apa sih namanya? Then make it cheaper because you cannot make it too expensive that everybody don't want to buy. Gitu.
Benar.
So for this car, I asked, give me the highest insurance. Why? Because in case something happen, like the car bakar, boom, battery explode, boom, I still want my money back, Right? So itu risk already.
Benar.
I do not know whether the car will explode or not. Boom! You see a lot of China car, boom, explode because of battery. So how to take the risk? I don't want to take the risk, so all risk. Gitu, Fit. Tapi apa sih namanya? Tergantung kita bisa bayar atau enggak. Kalau enggak bisa, then sorry, then never mind loh. I mean, everybody got a choice. Ya.
Iya. Benar
That's what I
sih.
wanna say,
Kayak saya misalnya, saya kayak ngerasa, udahlah as long as kayak my husband nyetir yang bener atau gimana pelan-pelan, oke lah kayaknya untuk sementara no need karena kan itu kayak extra expense gitu ya kalau kayak buat saya.
I agree. It's just a matter of if tashu hoki.
Iya.
Ini beneran hoki atau enggak lah? Maaf ya, Fi. Ini we do not know, one crazy person will just blom. So that one is risk already. Or banjir or what, then your car gone.
Iya, betul.
How you predict that, Fit?
Iya. Untuk antisipasi, betul.
Oh, hari ini hujan. Wah, is it going to buy? No, we do not know, right? So how do you cover that?
Iya sih itu bakal bikin lebih shock lagi. Tapi ya bener sih. Kayak misalnya nih setiap orang kalau kecelakaan mobil pasti kan yang ditanya udah diasuransikan. Ya udahlah
Yeah,
kan gitu. Pasti orang tuh komennya pertama gitu. Udah diasuransikan ya udahlah pasti dapat gantinya.
yeah.
Gitu komennya.
But there's a good point and bad point lah. But what I maybe want to share also is that, I mean, kita harus contented lah. Kalau kita udah bayar habis buat mobil, maybe your cicil maybe 3 bulan di depan atau 1 tahun di depan udah selesai. If you cannot afford it, don't change. Just drive this car until kita,
Benar.
until what? Because kalau kita udah ada uang, maaf ya Fit, orang manusia will spend money again. Oh, saya nggak bayar cicilan lagi. Saya udah dapat 2 juta lebih. Ayo, kita beli mobil yang baru atau beli motor yang baru atau beli. So then you see, right? Then the bloody cycle doesn't stop, you know.
Ya. Ya misalnya kayak lagi ini skincare gitu ya, kayak sekarang kan kemarin kok kulitnya kayak kering banget ya, kayaknya keseringan di AC deh. Oke deh, saya lagi cuma pakai moisturizer, terus lihat-lihat apa saya butuh juga ya kayak peeling lagi gitu lagi. Yang tadinya saya nggak berpikir untuk beli, terus iseng ya beli aja kali ya.
Well, I have the principle, if you have money, spend. If you got no money, ya udah
Ya,
control.
betul.
Tapi jangan ikutin lain orang like, oh kenapa? Oh beli. But I mean, I say this again and I'll repeat this now. My content on my own channel was always talking about this same topic. And if you notice Fit, I always say this in the office also.
Ya.
But Fit, you know, I blew up a few times, you know, like, okay, saya ngomong gini, kemarin saya di airport, I don't know whether you saw the video already or not, but saya lihat gaji ya, dishwasher aja, cuci piring aja, kamu tahu dapat berapa? No? Di Changi Airport dijual. Kemarin saya ke jual, saya jalan-jalan ke sana, saya lihat ada plang, you know the fountain, the stupid
Ya,
fountain.
ya.
Cuci piring aja, 6 hari, kerja maybe 12 jam. I don't know what lah, how many hours lah. Okay, kasih kamu 12 jam lah. Okay lah, maybe 10 jam lah. Kasih yang paling capek lah. Kira-kira berapa?
Sebulannya.
Sebulan. Cuci piring ya,
10.
naik lagi.
15.
Naik lagi.
Hah, gila. 20.
Naik lagi. 30, cuy. Yeah, I know right? I took a video. You go and look at the video of it. Just look at the video. I put on there. Dishwasher, 30, is 3,200 something. Manager, 4,000 something. Okay lah, work like dog lah. Kasih kamu kerja sampai capek banget lah. Kamu mau kerja atau enggak? 30 juta ya? Kerja kan?
Mau lah.
Right. Yeah, okay. Tapi orang Singapore, tangan saya rontok, tangan saya tofu, nggak bisa. So anyway, I made a video something like that. But ini, wow, you go and look at it lah. After this, you go and just look at my profile. That video already got 14,000 views, you know. Itu crazy. But you look at the comment aja. Banyak orang, wah ini capek job, work very hard. That's why I say again, if orang Singapore bisa, orang Indonesia bisa ke sana kerja, nggak apa-apa capek, it's okay.
Gak apa-apa, tapi worth
Yeah,
it banget pasti. Maksudnya orang Indonesia dikasih kerjaan segitu.
yeah, it's higher than a lot of gaji also. So I mean, I say in the comment, no, I said this in the video. Wah, kalau saya tua nggak bisa kerja, I won't say me lah. I hope it will never happen lah. But if I really work for this company and the company retrench me, walao, I work there, man. Ya dong.
Iyalah.
Ya dong. For the sake of money lah. But apa sih namanya, harus bisa tahan banting. Ya,
Iya pastilah.
maaf ya, maaf. Bukan saya mau cerita apapun. Tapi gaji ini sebenarnya buat orang Singapura kerja di sana. Kalau orang foreigner ke sana, maaf ya, nggak bisa.
Itu
Because
beda ya Pak.
it's not your country lah. It's the same thing like your country. Your country will always protect your citizen, right? Because of all the tax and all that. Same goes to Singapore. They protect the country. But I look at the country it's like, why so high? But anyway,
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure there's terms and condition lah. Pasti ada terms and condition lah.
Yeah,
Tidak
yeah, yeah.
mungkin like, oh ya take. Tidak mungkin lah. Tapi apa sih namanya, itu potential tinggi banget kok. Ya, so kabur aja dulu. Tolong dikabur ke Singapura. Tolong kabur ke Singapura. Kirim lewat dari Aman Logistics.
Nah kalau ini siapa nih pakainya followers panik nih @fanstar.
Oh, ya.
Kalau saya sudah tua nggak mau kerja lagi maunya jadi sugar daddy aja.
Juga dari aja saya. Walau.
Keluar duit dong, keluar duit.
Harus cari dong. Yesterday you show me the one from Batam. Wow.
Iya iya.
Potential sugar daddy, right? ada aja lah. But I'm having fun lah. But I say this again lah. All the contents that I make, I'm not talking bad about Singapore. I'm also not talking about Indonesian. There may be some point here and there, but ujung-ujungnya saya ngomong apa? Kita harus bersyukur. Like Indonesian, Fitri orang Indonesia, dia kerja di sini. Of course, everybody wants higher gaji, tapi there is plus and minus. Maybe now she can talk at home, she can go out and everything. Maybe the one that earns 30 juta, maybe work like dog like that. Yeah, best of both worlds. Yes, Pak, I best of both worlds. Yeah, I got best of both. But I must say one thing lah. For like my mother that is sick yesterday, ibu saya sakit. I mean, do I see her often? No and yes, but I had to fly, Saya harus naik pesawat, ke Singapore. Lihat ibu aja, 2 jam. But I will say this, Fit. Dia apa sih? Dia sebenarnya tidak butuh uang atau apa. Dia cuma butuh orang lihat dia, ya. I think orang kita udah tua. I just need my son to see.
Pension lah.
Hold my hand aja.
Iya.
Ayo kita gambarin, ayo smile, like 5 minutes aja dia udah happy banget. It's not the money, Ini
Benar,
bukan
benar.
uang masalah. But it's just about, okay, my son, my daughter follow me. Itu.
Iya, bener banget sih Pak.
Kalau saya lihat situation lah, so bingung juga lah. Ya, Fit. So bersyukur kita sekarang posisi di mana? Singapore, Indonesia atau apapun. Of course, the grass is greener on the other side sometimes. But
Benar.
kita sacrifice lah. Like the one that work for 3 million or the butt that work overseas. Apa sih namanya? Sacrifice juga. So, like me lah. You say I don't sacrifice, I also sacrifice what? Tapi, you're only looking at the good things. Ini momong lihat bagus doang. Yeah? I got mobil, I got rumah, I got... But you never see the negative side of the whole thing also.
Yeah.
Ya dong, Fit.
Bener Pak.
Preman lah, ada polisi lah. I go to the stupid world court lah, mother. That one nobody see. Right, Fit.
Iya Pak.
Only see the good thing only. Wah, enak ya Pak Nick. Ya, but the Wow, not bad Only just don't need to work in the office, can go anywhere and take video. Yeah, correct. But the other sacrifices.
Iya, benar.
Anyway, I gitu-gitulah. But I have fun lah. So you Fit? Are you good?
Iya, hari ini rencana mau ke ini sih Pak, mau cek, belum mau beli jam. Tapi soalnya kan saya pertama kali nih Pak beli jam di Shopee, jam clock buat wall clock, jam dinding. Terus 2 bulan udah rusak. Iya, dari Shopee mati kayak gitu kan. Udah diganti baterainya nggak bisa mati. Saya mau coba, akhirnya saya kemarin kan sempat Kayak nanya-nanya. Better kalau emang jam jangan deh beli di Shopee. Gue juga baru
Yalah.
sekali beli. Rusak walaupun emang jauh murah. Soalnya saya mau cari yang the diameternya emang lebih gedean dikit sih, around 40 cm. Jadi kayak mau coba ke IKEA gitu sih pas kalian aja.
Ke pasar aja lebih murah deh. IKEA nggak murah deh sebenarnya.
Iya sih lumayan ya Pak ya.
IKEA istri saya, I just bought clothes so, but istri saya mau jangan beli di you might find cheaper clothes at Informa.
Oh, Informa.
Ya, kalau ngomong desainnya and harga sama IKEA, Informa lebih murah deh. Okay, bukan murah, lebih better for the harga. Yeah. So, but use this day as a shopping day. If you got time, just go. I mean, tomorrow's a public holiday already. Everybody like,
Iya,
I don't know why that. So,
Iya.
but
Tapi
enjoy
emang
yourself.
kadang hoki sih Pak, saya pernah soalnya dulu beli di IKEA waktu saya awal nikah sampai sekarang still good at IKEA. Saya cari-cari, wah gila 200 ribu. Terus saya cari, saya ketemu yang 30,000
30,000?
di IKEA.
So cheap.
Jam dinding.
I was looking for a clock last week, so cannot get 30,000. Cannot get 30,000. No.
Masih hidup, masih bagus sampai sekarang di rumah saya yang di my mother-in-law, di kamar saya di sana.
Hoki kamu. Hoki
Iya.
itu ngomong hoki ini.
Oke.
Happy and blessed. Wah, selamat pagi Pak Ni.
Selamat pagi Kak. Happy and
I
blessed.
think she followed us very long already because I remember seeing her profile there. Yeah, it's Facebook time. Ini waktu Facebook.
Iya Kak Deborah sering sih Pak, ini mah order sering juga sih.
Yeah. How are you, Pak Deborah? Oh, happy Thursday. I just came back from Singapore kemarin. Oh, Singapore fast paced banget. Oh, you know, ini reality, you know. I yesterday I came back from the airport. Langsung terminal 2, langsung pintu buka. Asap, rokok, asap apa. Welcome back to Indonesia already. Then I park my car at the car park. Okay, wait. Let me share with you something. If you take Grab from your house to the airport, I will pay from my house to the airport. I will pay 100, which is $10.
Iya benar.
Okay. So 2 ways is 20,000 exclude 200 exclude the toll card and everything. My wife tell me you drive and park at the airport. Lebih murah. Pak Niko DM di mana
4 box jumbo kok nggak dapet diskon.
Sekarang ada diskon luar biasa deh. Maaf, kalau kamu pesen 2 box,
Yang
Mac
bundling
Jumbo sama
iya.
kecil. Ya, you say. Silakan.
Oke Kak Deborah, jadi kan kita lagi ada promo baru nih Kak. Kalau untuk bulan-bulan kemarin emang belum, baru di minggu lalu nih kita launching. Namanya bundling Kak, Mega Jumbo plus kecil. Jadi itu harganya cuma $198 aja, less than 200 ya.
Ya, dengar. $198
aja untuk 2 box Mega Jumbo plus kecil. Kak Deborah, jadi harga kecilnya kita hargain kurang lebih $23 aja. Murah banget.
$20 aja. Kalau Mega Jumbo Box harganya kita jual di luar 175.
Betul.
Kalau kamu mau upgrade atau beli 2 box 198. Nah, ini promo yang paling tinggi kita jual sekarang di Aman Logistics.
Betul. Jadi ini paling best deal. Ini promo ya Kak, nggak selamanya ada. Jadi kalau Kakak mau stok boxnya, mau beli boxnya gitu boleh.
Yes. And
Langsung dikirim, di pick up-nya di waktu yang sama ya, ke alamat yang sama.
Yes. Satu alamat, 1 bulan. I think terms and condition apply. Apa sih namanya? Ini maaf ya, ada yang cerita, oh kenapa harga Aman tinggi banget? Saya mau diskon lagi. Then I told Fitri lah, okay, we need to make our price lower. Banyak orang udah believe us already. Then when I tell Fitri, 198 di mana? Dia langsung buka drop banyak atau enggak? Are you sure nak? Ini murah deh. Iya murah. Dan saya untung-untung, I think can lah, bisa. Gitu teman-teman. Ya kan Fit? We launch it.
Yes,
right.
betul banget. Jadi Kak Deborah kalau mau order yang bundling boleh langsung hubungin office, Kak.
Ya, I tell you lah,
Thank you
Deborah.
banget udah setia banget katanya Pak pakai aman udah total kirim ada 28 box.
Terima kasih kakak. Kak,
28 box.
dari dulu sampai sekarang maaf ya kak, saya ngomong ini terus aja. Kita bukan just cuman jualan aja lah. Gampang ngomong jualan, tapi maaf ya kak. Kalau kamu lihat profil saya, lihat profil Aman Logistics, sebenarnya kita edukasi sama orang lewat dari Aman Logistics dong. Ya dong. Ya dong. Kita
Benar,
bukan,
benar.
oh, saya sekarang harganya gini. So, pesen box dari saya. I mean no lah. It's like, we're talking lah.
Ya, benar.
Oke lah,
Kayak
Fit.
gitu Kak Deborah. Jadi next boleh langsung ke WhatsApp aja. Pasti udah tahu lah ya mesti kontak kemana nih. Nomor WhatsApp kita yang di atas panik buat teman-teman semua yang mau tanya-tanya lebih detail tentang Aman Logistik, tentang pengiriman barang dari Singapura ke Indonesia. Dan untuk sekarang mohon maaf tadi yang nanya untuk kirim ke Malaysia kita belum bisa.
Yes, belum bisa.
Malaysia belum ada.
Happy and blessed. Ya, tapi
Iya tapi bulan kemarin boxnya ada yang jebol nih Pak nih. Tolong bilang pekerja di Indo suruh hati-hati.
of course. Sorry. But because Lebaran and all that quite packed, but we will definitely try to be careful lah. Yeah, I mean kita udah, maaf ya, saya bukan mau lebay ya, tapi hari ini kita udah 24 tahun kirim barang dari Singapura ke Indonesia. Saya sendiri panik udah 12 tahun di Indonesia. Dari dulu sampai sekarang, I seen a lot in my life lah. There's certain things I wish I don't see and certain things I don't wish to go through lah. But I'm blessed. I have a good team in my office. I have a good Fitri that saya bisa ngobrol di sini. So I'm blessed lah. And every problem we come out stronger.
Ya betul. Oke, thank you Kak Deborah. Katanya terima kasih Pak Nik ya, sukses selalu. Thank you Kak Deborah, selalu setia pakai aman.
Thank you. Okay, Fit, I think I don't want to hold out your time also. I think I need to go and attend today my wife. Thank you for the 1 hour.
Thank you Pak
I
Nik.
hope you have a good day today. Go to IKEA. But I think clock a bit hard to find 40 centimeter. I think Informa still
Kalau
cheaper.
40 ya nggak mungkin 30.000 sih Pak.
Nah, tidak mungkin 30,000. If you can find the 30,000, please buy one for me also. 30,000 itu cheap banget. So thank you and try to look. But apa sih namanya? Just enjoy yourself. Take more videos. Upload. I will still suggest you to upload as much. As this idiot here can upload so many videos one day. I think I don't understand why you cannot. So. True, no. I hold trolley, my luggage. I push from Orchard Road. I take video also, you know.
Nah,
Mau tidak mau aja, Fit.
benar.
Okay. Thank you so much, Fit. Thank you so much, teman-teman.
Thank you Pak Nik. Thank you teman-teman yang udah nonton selama 1 jam.
Hope you all have a good day, okay? Every day is a good day. Every day is a learning day. Tomorrow is already Good Friday. So today majikan pulang pasti harus kerja lebih keras.
Benar.
Apa sih namanya? Majikan tinggal di rumah already.
Iya.
My children now today got no school, no mother. Kalau my
Iya,
children
ya, maksudnya sering banget liburnya ya Pak?
no, because Catholic school. Then today harus ke gereja. My wife also had to go gereja. Ya, go gereja dari siang deh. Bukan dari malam, dari jam berapa. I know siang lah. So the school decided to take public holiday. Ya udah lah. Right? How to protest. Okay, Fit. Thank you so much. Have a good
Oke,
day.
thank you Pak.
Bye, everybody. See you.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good day, Fit. Bye.